Meaning of Highland Games.
Highland Games.
Highland Games.
Highland Games.
Highland Games. The Highland Games are a traditional Scottish sporting event that take place annually throughout Scotland and in many other parts of the world. These games feature a variety of athletic competitions such as tossing the cobber, tug-of-war, and hammer throwing, as well as dancing and music performances. The games serve as a celebration of Scottish culture and heritage, providing an opportunity for participants and attendees to connect with their roots and enjoy true Scottish hospitality. Overall, the Highland Games are a unique and exciting spectacle that showcase the best of Scottish sports, music, and culture.